For this tutorial, let's assume your cloud data is set up, your device is paired, and you've downloaded the system data you need for your learners, and you're now ready to start gathering evidence. So from the main launch screen, let's tap the capture button. We can add learners to this observation by tapping the button next to learners. We'll open the rabbits class. If we want, we can add multiple learners, but we'll just add Harry for now. We can choose a date by tapping the calendar button, or we can just keep today's date. We can include up to 3 photos or videos in a single observation, and each video can be up to a minute long. In this case, we'll take photos from the camera roll. We can change the order of the photos and videos with a flick or swipe gesture. And to delete one, we simply tap and hold and then release. You can see there's also an option to save to the camera roll. Let's annotate our observation with some comments. We'll use a comment template. Comment templates are a great tool for prompting you to add certain information to your evidence and observations. They are also useful for making comments consistent across all of your devices. And now let's link to some statements in the EYFS framework. We'll pick a couple of statements that align with the evidence. And lastly, let's tap the plus button next to the tags and add tags to this evidence. You can think of tags as a label or flag to attach to any evidence or observation. Tags make it easy to search, filter, analyse and group your evidence at a later date. And now we're done. We scroll back up to the top of the screen, tap the orange button to change the status from draft to published. That way it'll be saved to the cloud, either now or when we next connect our device to the internet. It can then also be picked up to appear in the reports and our assessment books. The evidence we've captured will be saved into Harry's learner profile, along with any other evidence or observations already captured by me or other colleagues. Let's take a quick look. We tap the Head and Shoulders button to access the learner profiles for all of the learners on my device. I'll open the Rabbits class to get to Harry. And when you open any learner profile, you'll find 2 parts to it. The first part is local to your device only. You can see on this device under Harry's name. Here you'll find any evidence that was originally gathered on this device and saved as a draft, or any evidence that was saved as published but couldn't be saved to the cloud due to the device not being connected to the internet. In this case, our device is connected to the internet, and so the evidence is in the second part, the cloud profile. If we tap the cloud button to the top right, we can access the cloud profile. This is the shared part of the learner profile. Evidence here can be accessed and edited, if need be, by any of our colleagues. For a walkthrough and tips on how to edit evidence and to work with evidence in the cloud across multiple devices, we invite you to explore our other video guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy using evidence for learning and find it useful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. We're here to help.